Welcome to Business Pitfalls and Profits, where we unravel the captivating world of successful corporations and explore the highs and lows of partnerships, acquisitions, and celebrity endorsements in the business realm. Subscribe now to the channel and hit that notification bell so that you'll never miss an episode. And engage with me in the comments. I want to hear your thoughts, insights, and even your suggestions for future episodes. Enjoy the episode. We all know that big-name musicians make hefty amounts through performances, endorsements, and more. But what's not your run-of-the-mill story? A musician not just hitting the $1 million mark, but soaring to a net worth of over $2 billion. If you haven't figured it out yet, we're talking about none other than the richest artist alive, Jay-Z. While Jay-Z's music career has been legendary, he's also famous for dabbling in numerous businesses and investments that have raked in some serious profits over the years. In 2018, Jay-Z co-founded the company Marcy Venture Partners, MVP, along with Jay Brown and Larry Marcus. This company wasn't just about making more money, it was about building innovative businesses and mass market brands, investing in consumer culture, and making a positive impact. Ever since, MVP has been closing deals after deals, helping many startup businesses flourish and significantly expanding Jay-Z's business empire. Today, we're looking into the juicy details of the deals, investments, and profits Jay-Z's venture capital firm has snagged in a mere 6 years since its birth. We'll also explore how this rapper-turned-business mogul manages to keep riding high in the business world. On the 4th of December, 1969. Sean Corey Carter, also known as Jay-Z, was born in Brooklyn, New York. He spent his early years in the notorious Marcy houses, one of Brooklyn's public housing projects, a far cry from the luxury he enjoys today. Life in the Marcy houses was tough, and little did he know that decades later, he'd be paying homage to his roots with $1 million firm. Jay-Z's childhood was rougher than most. At 12, his father walked out on the family, leaving his mother to raise him and his siblings on her own. Unable to finish his education, Jay-Z got deeply involved in the street hustle, selling drugs to make ends meet. He would later reflect on this tough past in his lyrics with a mix of regret and realism. It wasn't long before he went into rap as a teenager, utilizing music as a means of escape from the surrounding chaos. His early freestyle sessions and battles on street corners and at local clubs helped him hone his skills and build a reputation. Despite so many challenges, his passion for music never waned. He adopted the stage name Jay-Z, paying tribute to his mentor, Jaz-O, who was a successful American rapper and record producer during Jay-Z's early years in the music industry. His big break came in 1996 with the release of his debut album, Reasonable Doubt. The album, now a classic, was a creative look at his life and the world around him. Songs such as Dead Presidents and Can't Knock the Hustle showcased his top-tier lyrical skills and storytelling ability, quickly setting him apart in the rap scene. His breakthrough came with his third studio album, Volume 2, Hard Knock Life, released in 1998. The album featured the massive hit Hard Knock Life, a song that still racks up massive views to this day. It became his most commercially successful single at the time, and the album sold over 5 million copies in the United States and won a Grammy Award for Best Rap Album. The journey to success wasn't a bed of roses, as Jay-Z struggled to find a record label willing to take a chance on him, so he co-founded Rockefeller Records with Damon Dash and Kareem Burke. This independent label became a major force in hip-hop, launching the careers of Jay-Z himself, Kanye West, Memphis Bleek, Beanie Siegel, and many others. As his fame grew, so did his ambition. Jay-Z's subsequent albums, including Volume 2, Hard Knock Life, and The Blueprint, not only topped the charts but also redefined the genre. Hard Knock Life featured the wildly successful single of the same name, which sampled the Broadway musical Annie, showcasing Jay-Z's innovative approach to hip-hop. In 2008, driven by a desire to create a more artist-centric and independent platform, Jay-Z founded Roc Nation. By owning an entertainment agency, he not only took control of his own career, but also got a leg up in the business game, keeping tabs on cultural trends and which products were blowing up. That's right, Jay-Z wasn't only about music. While he created one of the world's most successful record labels, he didn't stop there. His business acumen began to shine as he expanded into various ventures. Jay-Z and his business partner Damon Dash spotted a business opportunity in fashion back in 1997, noticing the popularity of iceberg jeans among their fans. Wanting to capitalize on this trend, they initially tried to partner with Iceberg, but were unsuccessful due to their lack of experience and ambitious demands. So they thought, why not do it themselves? They decided to start their own clothing line, Rocawear, despite having little knowledge of the fashion industry. They sought advice from Russell Simmons, who connected them with experienced apparel manufacturers. Soon enough, Rocawear blew up and the clothing line quickly became popular, generating about $700 million annually at retail. In 2007, Jay-Z sold the rights to Rocawear to Iconic's brand group for $204 million, though he continued to oversee the brand's marketing. Jay-Z made a big move in 2015 by taking on the world's highest music streaming service, Spotify, when he acquired Aspiro. This Swedish tech company runs a couple of streaming services, the ad-free WIMP and the high-definition Tidal, which used to give Spotify a run for its money. Jay-Z had been keeping a close watch on Aspiro for some time, recognizing it as a cutting-edge, progressive company poised for substantial growth. Eventually, he successfully acquired it for $56 million. Expanding his business portfolio, Jay-Z owns shares in startups and established firms such as Uber. In 2011, he got in early with Uber, joining its Series B funding round when the company was valued at $300 million. Additionally, Jay-Z has made significant investments in JetSmarter, a private jet booking app known as the Uber for private jets. He's been involved in multiple funding rounds, including a $105 million Series C round in 2016. And as for the ever-booming profits in the beverage industry, Jay-Z wasted no time recognizing the potential and made strategic investments early on. He launched Armand de Brignac, also known as Ace of Spades champagne, which quickly became a symbol of luxury and success. Jay-Z also invested in Douce, a cognac brand, in partnership with Bacardi. Douce has gained a strong reputation for its smooth taste and high quality, positioning itself as a favorite among cognac enthusiasts. Beyond these ventures, Jay-Z and his wife, Beyoncé, have invested in luxurious properties across the United States, from New York to Los Angeles. His art collection, featuring works by Jean-Michel Basquiat and other renowned artists, underscores his appreciation for valuable assets and cultural significance. You might think that's all there is to expect from the billionaire, but Jay-Z wasn't finished. In 2019, Jay-Z and Roc Nation's president Jay Brown and venture financier Larry Marcus co-founded Marcy Venture Partners, MVP, a venture capital firm. Named after the Brooklyn neighborhood where Jay-Z grew up, Marcy Projects, MVP specializes in funding consumer and culturally driven businesses committed to fostering inclusivity and innovation. They focus primarily on early-stage companies, particularly during Series A and B funding rounds. Their interest lies in businesses poised for rapid growth and resonance among younger demographics. Since its inception, MVP has made several notable investments. One includes Rihanna's lingerie brand Savage X Fenty, which has revolutionized the industry with its inclusivity and body positivity campaigns. Savage X Fenty secured a $125 million funding round with existing investors like L. Catterton and MVP, led by Jay-Z, participating in the Series C funding in 2022. Another standout investment is Oatly, the Swedish oat milk company that received support from MVP for its expansion into the U.S. market in 2020. Alongside influential figures like Oprah Winfrey and Natalie Portman, Jay-Z infused a staggering $200 million into the company. This helped Oatly expand its production and distribution networks. This meant new factories, more products on shelves, and a push into new markets like China. MVP also ventured into supporting Impossible Foods, a leading plant-based meat company known for its popular plant-based burgers and products in the U.S. Jay-Z made headlines by facilitating the brand's $300 million funding round in 2019. Additionally, MVP invested in Partake Foods, founded by Denise Woodard. MVP led a $1 million seed funding round with the company, which was more than enough dough for a cookie company. Jay-Z's interest in emerging technologies led to an investment in the NFT platform Bitsky. MVP and Serena Williams venture capital firm participated in a $19 million funding round for Bitsky in 2021. In 2022, MVP had a standout year, significantly surpassing their usual investment range of $5 million to $15 million from their fund too. Jay-Z backed the premier beauty brand Madison Reed with a $33 million investment. This substantial funding brought Madison Reed's total capital to nearly $220 million. The new funds supported the expansion of the brand's hair color bar locations and retail partnerships with Ulta and Ulta Beauty at Target. Madison Reed now operates 87 locations across the U.S., including New York City, South Florida, California, Chicago, Washington, D.C., and Texas, and has hired up to 850 new colorists in various hubs. With numerous wholesale partners and plans to exceed 100 hair color bars by the end of 2024, the company is committed to sustained and strategic growth. Meanwhile, Jay-Z sure doesn't know when to stop. MVP is now in advanced talks to merge with Pendulum Holdings investment division. Pendulum Holdings, founded by Robbie and DeRita Robinson in 2019, has invested in companies like the Chinese food brand Fly by Jing Inc. If finalized, this merger would create a powerhouse entity with assets exceeding $1 billion. While Jay-Z is steering MVP to some incredible highs, he's also encountered his fair share of bumps along the way. He's had to navigate many scandals between managing his music career and various business ventures. From allegations about his knowledge of R. Kelly's predatory actions to rumors of infidelity with his superstar wife Beyoncé, Jay-Z has been no stranger to the gossip mill. As for his businesses, not all have gone smoothly over the years. In 2019, Jay-Z's Roc Nation sued Iconics brand group for alleged fraud, claiming that Iconics inflated its financial reports when making deals with Roc Nation and other companies, resulting in financial losses for Roc Nation. The case was eventually settled, with Jay-Z buying back some intellectual property assets from Iconics for $15 million. Jay-Z's company Tidal has also faced criticism, with rumors of manipulating streaming numbers to boost the popularity of certain artists. Norwegian newspaper Dagens Næringsliv conducted an investigation and found evidence suggesting that Tidal had inflated the streaming numbers for Beyoncé's Lemonade and Kanye West's The Life of Pablo by hundreds of millions of plays. This manipulation allegedly resulted in disproportionate royalty payouts to these artists at the expense of others. Tidal has vehemently denied these allegations, calling them a smear campaign, but the controversy has certainly cast a shadow over the streaming service. Additionally, Jay-Z's past business relationships have also been a source of public interest. His fallout with former business partner Damon Dash, co-founder of Rockefeller Records, is a notable example. Dash was forced to sell his ownership stake in Rockefeller due to financial difficulties, a situation that has been well documented and discussed in our previous video on Dame Dash's debt payment. You can check out that video for a deeper dive into the complexities of their business relationship and the financial struggles that led to Dash's exit from the company. By addressing these scandals, we can see that Jay-Z's journey to success has been anything but smooth. However, his ability to navigate these challenges and continue to thrive in both the music and business worlds is a testament to his resilience and strategic acumen. While Jay-Z sure loves a good investment, he's equally passionate about giving back to the community. He co-founded the Sean Carter Foundation, which is dedicated to providing scholarships and educational opportunities to underprivileged youth. Beyond education, Jay-Z is also a strong advocate for criminal justice reform, tirelessly supporting initiatives that aim to create a fairer legal system. His commitment to philanthropy is as impressive as his business acumen. In recognition of his community service, Jay-Z has made generous donations, such as contributing over $2,500 worth of high-end streetwear to the Spring Hill campaign for adolescent and university student empowerment cause. His New York City show in November 2006 raised over $250,000 for Play Pumps International. Meanwhile, through MVP, Jay-Z is not just expanding his business empire, but also uplifting the Black community. MVP's focus on consumer brands and eco-friendly startups is shaking up the venture capital scene, fueling the growth of innovative businesses. By backing these startups, they're creating jobs, boosting the economy, and championing diversity in the business world. With Jay-Z's influence, there are undoubtedly more opportunities on the horizon for entrepreneurs from underrepresented communities, offering them funding, mentorship, and invaluable networking. Jay-Z's vision is clear. He's committed to empowering others and creating a more inclusive and dynamic business landscape. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Business Pitfalls and Profits. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our next one. Last but most importantly, don't forget to like and share this video with fellow entrepreneur advocates. Until next time, stay curious.